Alright, have you ever wondered how 3D models, movies, or even buildings are created? By the end of this course, you'll be able to create simple 3D objects like this in Autodesk Maya. I welcome everyone to this channel, and my name is Emmanuel Owusu, and in this series I'll be teaching you Autodesk Maya from the basics. So if you are completely new to 3D, you are in the right place. Autodesk Maya is a professional 3D software used for modeling, creating animations, and rendering as well. Now let me show you what Maya looks like. Yeah, as you can see here, this is Maya workspace where we'll be doing all our projects. So Maya is used in movies, as I said earlier, and video games, architectural visualization, and advertisements as well. As you can see here too, Maya is involved in a lot of professional 3D works. So the reason I recommend Maya to you, Maya over all the 3D softwares like Cinema 4D, Blender, the rest, because Maya is one of the most industrial standard software used for 3D animation and modeling. So don't worry if this feels confusing right now. You will start with very simple steps. In this course, I will guide you through the Maya interface step by step, and you will create some basic shapes. Then we move to modeling simple objects, adding materials, lighten up the objects we've created, and finally re-render our project. I will teach you the rendering settings and everything for you to know about Maya, then re-render our project. This course is made for beginners. This course is solely made for beginners, so don't worry if you don't have any 3D experience. You are as I said, you are in the right place. So this course is solely made for beginners, and I will explain everything slowly as you can follow along. My teaching style is very simple. Now let me show you how we will learn together. I will explain each steps clearly, and I will repeat important things when necessary. So in the next lesson, I will show you how to download Autodesk Maya and install so we can get started properly. If this video helped you, go ahead and like this particular video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.